Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me, travel can sometimes turn into a bit of a mess, literally. But today we're reviewing a product that promises to keep your toiletries in check during your next adventure. We're talking about the bottle covers for travel, a set of 9 silicone sleeves designed to protect your bottles and prevent leaks. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. These bottle covers come in a convenient 9-pack, 8 bottle covers and 1 clear toiletry bag. The concept is simple. These silicone sleeves fit around your bottles, protecting your luggage from any spills or leaks. They are made from high-quality, food-grade silicone that claims to offer a universal fit for most travel-sized bottles. These covers are also designed to be highly elastic, so they snugly wrap around your containers and stay in place, even during the roughest travel conditions. The accompanying toiletry bag provides an extra layer of protection and organization. When it comes to using these bottle covers, I must say they're a great addition to any travel kit. They fit most standard bottles, from shampoo and conditioner to sunscreen or makeup removers. The elastic nature of the silicone ensures that the sleeves don't slip off, which is a big plus. No more worrying about your shampoo leaking out and causing a mess in your luggage. I found that they were especially useful for those travel-sized toiletries that tend to have weak seals. The added benefit of the transparent bag is handy for easy access to your items, especially during airport security checks. However, I do want to mention that these sleeves are not compatible with bottles that have pump tops or sharp edges, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the material is durable, reusable, and easy to clean, perfect for anyone who travels frequently. The silicone offers a snug fit, and the leak-proof feature definitely holds up. The clear toiletry bag is also a thoughtful touch. However, it's not all perfect. The fit can be a bit tight for some larger bottles, especially those with odd shapes. And while the elastic material holds up well, I did notice that the sleeves aren't as effective if the bottles are overfilled. So be mindful of that when packing. Is this product worth the price? From a value perspective, it's fairly reasonable. You're getting a set of 8 high-quality silicone sleeves and a toiletry bag for a price that's on par with similar items in the travel accessory category. Given that these covers will help prevent the mess of leaks and protect your clothing, I'd say it's a fair investment. For those of you who travel often or are simply looking to stay organized, this could be a great addition to your collection. Now, how does it stack up against the competition? There are plenty of similar travel bottle covers on the market, but few come with the added benefit of a clear bag for storage. While some other brands might offer individual silicone sleeves for a lower price, none seem to offer the same level of protection and convenience. For what you get, these covers provide a solid balance of price, quality, and functionality. As for build quality, the silicone feels strong and resilient. It's stretchy, but it doesn't feel flimsy. I have no doubts that these will hold up over time, but I'll be testing them for a few more trips before making a long-term judgment. I didn't have any direct interaction with customer support, but based on the product description, the brand does offer a satisfaction guarantee. So if anything goes wrong, it seems like they have your back. To wrap things up, these bottle covers for travel are a practical and effective solution for keeping your toiletries leak-free during your travels. The silicone material is durable, the elastic fit keeps everything in place, and the included toiletry bag adds a nice touch of organization. While it might not fit every bottle or top, the pros far outweigh the cons. For frequent travelers or anyone who just wants peace of mind when packing, these are definitely worth considering. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews. If you've used these bottle covers or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay organized, stay stylish, and keep things till next time.